this is the easiest way you can play the E chords. Okay, we're going to go from here. That is a regular E minor. It's one of the easiest you can do. Now, how do you play that? Put one finger, your pointer, right here on the 3rd fret, and then put right here this middle finger, put it right there on the top. Okay, so it's the 2nd string and then the 3rd string, and guess what? You have yourself an E chord. Okay, this is actually something you can kind of try to do here. This is really easy. Put your, okay, get ready for this. You can actually play a first part of the song by doing this. And you're going to know what that song is in a second. But in the meantime, put your finger, right there on the bottom, okay, the D string, and then put on the B and the E, okay, and then try to play this along with me now. So this right here is an E minor 7, okay. Now if you already know D chord, this is going to be really easy for you. If you know E minor 7, take a look at this. Watch this. You can actually play the first part of a Neil Young song if you know the E minor 7 and the D that I already taught you in the first video. Step number 1, okay, again, is to just, with your pick, just go with the first G right there, okay? Then, you're just going to do that once, okay? And then you're going to downstrum to the D, then back to E minor 7, and if you're able to do it, then take your hands, your 2 fingers on the top, like that. Okay, this is obviously slow motion. I can't do the whole thing right now. I'll do that one more time for you to. I can't do it that slow, but let me try to do it in regular pace and see if you can follow along. You'll be able to do this if you know the E minor 7 as well as a D, and you can just practice that. That's something you can just practice on right there. Or you can just practice if you don't have your strums down, if you don't know how to strum, then just try to do this. Just try to go up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down on the guitar. Okay? It's something you can definitely try to do. Just all right, nice and easy. Whoop, nice and easy there. Okay. E minor 7 again. One finger there. 2nd finger right there. Okay, and then 3rd finger right there. So just take those 3 fingers, memorize it. Say, okay, I want my 1 finger there, and the 2nd, 3rd, and then the one of the last. I wouldn't honestly. Don't worry too much about the the E and the B and the E and the G and the D, all those chords. Just worry about finger placement and just making sure you have, like the 1st, 2nd, the 3rd, whatever. Just worry about the finger placement. That was a little buzzy there, sorry. That's nice. Try not to get you got to obviously press down on the strings here. If you're a beginner, it's going to be a little bit difficult. Okay. And then That's the regular E right there. E minor 7. This is going to be one of your most popular chords you're going to play is the E. Okay. So that's E minor. Really, really, really simple once you get it. Promise you. Promise you you're going to be able to do that. So just try to practice that. Remember to leave a like and also subscribe. Hopefully I will see you in the next video.